Welcome, friends. Nice to be here with you. I have a lot of good material to share, so let's jump right in. Please don't eavesdrop on hurtful people's conversations. This is usually family and friends. If you hear hurts in front of you, it is sufficient to say haters inside, and if needed, outside when words are spoken against you. And distance yourself from them is important. Another good strategy is to compose positive word assumptions. Replace the hurts with good. For example, if you hear from others, she is fat, your interpretation can be hearing, she has a nice hat. A positive statement will resume positivity only in your heaven. It may be a white lie, but it is internal protection from diseases. Over time, your hearing will adjust, attract a non negotiable positive outlook on life, and your environment will have no choice but to accept positivity, only restrictions to surround you. It is a question of good, seeking good and not hurtful towards yourself or others and others. Next topic. Now, I'm jumping into the next topic now. People make an effort to look outside themselves and be sexy to avoid hurts. But casual wear with a filtered and aware, positive toned mind is internal peace, free of ego building pursuits from others. I'm not banning proper dressing. It's lustful wardrobe that can attract the wrong crowd. For some, proper dressing is difficult to assess. Asking a priest, Molvi, that's for Muslims, priest for Christians, Catholics, Molvi for Muslims, or other faith based wise men is a good investment of your time and energy. For some parents, proper appropriate wardrobe is not imposed on their children. That is sad. I hope these children receive the proper direction, and let's hope so. Amin. Amen. Amin is for Muslims. Amen is for Christians, Catholics, and so on. Other forms of Jesus based faiths. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.